Here we have two barreled links. These are used for TV aerials. Now this one here is a chrome version. You can see both sides is a screw type. This one is gold plated. It's meant to have better conductivity. I'm going to put this one to one side. Now this part here is slightly offset. Now it doesn't make any difference electronically or electrically. It doesn't make any difference which end you use. Now what I'm going to do is to fix, this is an F plug. I'm going to screw that in. And then we have another F plug, screw that in. Make sure they are hand tight. Best not to use any tools for this. Hand should be sufficient. And so that's it. That is what the barrel link is used for. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.